Good morning, everyone. My name's Josie. This is Papa and Josie's homesteading. Y'all notice her little ponytails. She, last year when it cooled down, we had one hoodie. And she loved wearing that hoodie. She wore it so much that, I mean, you couldn't even get it clean because she constantly had it on. And she likes it because she don't like wearing gloves, but she can stick her hands in those pockets. So we bought her several hoodies for this year. The bad thing with the hoodies is because of the hoodie, she's sliding it on and off her head. It's tearing the back of her hair in knots. I mean, like really bad. It's taking me like an hour of the evenings to try to get the knots out of her hair, and it's just tearing her hair. And I mean, it's getting to the point where I thought I was going to have to cut it and everything. They're laying in there. It might make it hard on what we're going to do in it. But yeah, I've had to watch YouTube videos because I could do a regular ponytail, but the regular ponytail wasn't holding. So I've had to watch YouTube videos to figure out how to do hair. So we've been trying different hair things. They're not getting up. They'll get up here in a minute. So we've been trying different hair things, trying to find something she likes and something that'll hold her hair up and not get the tangles in it. So there's some homesteading stuff for you. But I know you guys up north gonna laugh at me, but we're getting ready to get cold. I think we got 2 more days, and then it's supposed to start getting that in the 30s at night for looks like at least the next week or so anyway. So me and Josie, we got our firewood up on the back porch this morning and got it all ready, which I've already built a fire a couple times. No, we're not getting up on top of the hay right now. So there's been a couple mornings where I've already built a fire just to knock the chill out of the house. But we're gonna try to get the animals situated because they're all pretty much on the dirt floor. I did put some hay in here for Gary already. I'm not sure if he needs more or not. Both of them laying in there. Oh, but they actually, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, they actually got some in there. We might try to squeeze a little bit in there on top of them while they're in there sleeping though. But I'm gonna grab some of this hay and see if I can. They're getting up! Oh my gosh. But we're gonna try to give everybody some hay. We went and got that hay yesterday. And I got a big pile laying down there where I rode them off the trailer. So everything down there, I got plenty of hay. It's just this outer ring of them rows. So that's be great to throw in there for their bedding. But I'm gonna grab some of this and try to squeeze it in there for Gary and Bella. They're getting up. I'm just gonna grab a handful and throw it in there. Or armload, whatever I can get. Throw some in there. Good job. Yeah, we cover them up a little bit.
So they can't get warm?
Yeah, help them stay warm. Okay, that's all they need. They don't need that much in there. They already had some in there. But we're gonna go down here and get all the rest of them right now. Because the neighbors just went out to go to town, so we can not worry about blocking the road or anything with anything. All right, let's go. We'll get back with you guys when we get down there. All right, so we got all this that rolled off of some of those when I pushed them off the trailer. So I'm just gonna pick it up, throw it across the fence here, and then I'll go over there and put it in, because if I open that gate, they're gonna run out. That's just what they do. But and I'll have to pick through some strings on this too, because it's gonna have strings in it. But we'll set y'all up on like a time lapse on this part. here. Like I said, this is just down on the dirt. This actually has two little stalls in here. That way, if somebody's being aggressive, somebody else has, you know, they got somewhere to go, so they're not stuck together. But I used to years ago, before I built that other addition on this side, this is where I kept the hay at. I just took those boards down. They all stayed in here. But when I built that other side, I opened this up so they could get in there. I forgot about having that little gate in here. I could probably use that somewhere. I forgot about it. It looks like they've kind of pushed this wall back here out a little bit. I'm gonna have to work on that.
I hear.
Yeah. But that's got on some bedding laid down. They'll munch around on it a little bit, but if we have to, we can throw some more in here a little bit later. I'm gonna take some of this over and throw it in chicken coop as well. All right, let's go over here and we'll pack some down the chicken coop.
Bobby's here.
Yeah, Bubby's not gonna bother you. He's over here eating his hay. He's not gonna bother you. You wanna pet him? No. He'll gonna bump you? Bubby don't bump you on purpose. He just does it by accident. Wait a minute, we're gonna pack some of this down to the chicken coop.
We walk.
Yeah, we just walk. Yeah, we could put it in the wagon.
I'm taking the flower.
You see that? I'll just put it in the wagon. That'll work. Just load some of this up in our little wagon, and then we'll do the piggies. Well, the piggies already got some in there. We'll just have to put it in our house.
We're using the flower.
Yeah. Alright, we already, yesterday, this is some hay that had fell off the row. I was just going to throw some in there. I may take some off the top of there, because there's that, the bottom of this row is on the top right now. It rolled over. So we'll just throw some of that in there.
They're going in there, take a nap.
Yeah, they can go in there and take a nap.
I'm going to help clean. They will like it. They will like it.
You like it?
They know I like it.
It's not really dry, is it? A little bit. Well, it didn't take too much to get that little thing filled up. I'm hoping there'll be a couple of these leaves. That's probably pretty tight for 4 of them. What are you doing, Sarah? What are you doing, Sarah? What are you doing, girl?
What's her name?
And Sarah.
I see it.
You see it?
And to see hers again.
Okay, hang on. Now you can see her in that way.
I see her size. Who's there running away? That's where Lily lives. I want to see her. I can't see it.
Okay, back up a little bit. You're too close. All right, turn the camera around. You're too close. No, turn around where you can look at it. See, turn around this way. Now back up a little bit. You're so close you couldn't see it.
She's next to the boys.
Yeah, I need to keep looking next to the boys.
The boys want to see us.
The boys want to see you.
I see him. This. It's taking nice good. You see? Oof. You see? Are you opening? You going to open the door? I said blue.
They don't like when you do stuff. I'm just gonna throw this in here in a little pile. They'll scatter it around once they get done freaking out.
I gotta see him.
They're crazy, ain't they?
I gotta get them little ones.
Our chicken's been doing good. We still get about 3 eggs a day. Out of 5 hens. Fine. One of these new ones lay a blue egg, and I'm not sure which one it is. But they've quit. They're the one that has quit laying here about the last week. We're still getting 3 brown eggs. But that's kind of what we've been getting for the most part. Sometimes it just be 2. But since I switched over to that new feed, we've been getting 3 or 4 eggs a day. But like I said, that blue one, whichever one lays that blue egg, it stopped. Alright, let's go over here. We'll get your snacks you're wanting, and then we gotta go up here and we'll put some hay in with the cow and the goats. I'll probably have to do that by myself. I don't know if you can get in there. Cause you know how the goats do and the cow.
I gotta hold on.
Alright, yeah, you're very careful. You sit and fall on them rocks.
I'll be just fine.
You'll be just fine. Last words. Yeah, alright, let's go. Well, I've decided we was going to throw some to the cows up there, and I was just going to take it off the row, but man, they are tearing their row up. So I decided just to come down here and get some more of this, because it's that outer ring, so it's not the best in the world anyway. Still taking some of their good hay. So we're just going to load up some of this in the back of the truck and then take it up there, throw it across the fence, and then throw it in there. Josie's sitting in the truck. Y'all wondering? That should be enough for them anyway. For a little bit. Like I said, we can always get more if we have to. Maybe that'll help grass grow over here too, instead of these weeds. Like I said, I don't know what this stuff is. It's get somehow where I can get that stuff mowed down. We'll get with you back up here at the barn. I got this pitchfork and still ain't had to use it, so it's a good thing. That's all the houses. I'll grab just a little handful of this good hay. Throw into this rooster over here. Set y'all down so I can have both hands. He's already clucking and wanting to check it out. We'll probably have some seeds, and like I said, chickens eat grass. You can give your chickens a little bit of hay here and there. They'll eat on it. We got the seeds and the bugs and whatnot in it. What you doing? Sitting there. Just sitting in the floor tilling. Taking a what? We're kind of at the barn. We just gotta cross the road. Park. All done with that for the day. Everybody should have a nice bed. They're gonna stay warm. No. You got a chance of snow. I mean, it probably won't add that too much right now, but there's a chance of snow. Okay. Boink. Pow. Oh, somebody's shooting something. If you guys could hear all the dogs barking back at when I was getting that hay in the back of the truck. I knew for the last probably about the last week, I knew there was something down over the hill, because Lucy, when I'd let Lucy out, we get down to the house, she'd head right straight over the hill. And happens this time of the year, every year almost. But apparently around this area somewhere, there's somebody that either can't shoot or can't track to find their deer when they do shoot it. Because Lucy winds up starts dragging pieces of carcass up. And this morning, finally we had you can get in there, okay. Yeah, this morning we had a deer leg laying in the yard. So she's found some, but I can hear there's other dogs down there, maybe coyotes, probably the coyotes at nighttime. But there's definitely dogs down there and it's barking and fighting and carrying on. I don't know if y'all can pick it up or not, but yeah, we're just trying to get all the animals, get them some bedding in there, just so they can, I mean, they'd be fine. They ain't no doubt in my mind, they'd be fine. They can handle 30-degree weather without any problems. There's no babies. The only babies I still got left is the 3 little pigs over here, and they said they was gonna come get them today, but they messaged this morning and said they went on vacation. They were still on vacation and actually extended their vacation, so they said it'd be a few more days, they'd be in touch. So I said, it's that one from Craigslist, so it's still, I don't know if somebody just playing a prank and keeping it going, or it's hard to ever tell about Craigslist. People do some weird stuff on there, but if not, it ain't a big deal. Like I said, I need a borrow for Gary anyway, so it wouldn't be that big of a deal. But hopefully they will come and get them. But we got all the bedding and stuff took care of. Everybody but the dogs. The dogs are probably the only thing right now. I mean, they'll be fine in the 30s. If it got down to a single digit or something like that, I'd probably have to do something else with them. They'll be fine over there for right now. Because they got a couple of dog houses over there and stuff. They can get out of the weather and things like that and get out of the wind. But if it was to get super cold, I'd probably have to try to move some animals around somewhere and get them back over here where they can have their big house back. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Appreciate every one of you guys that watch. I know I put a really long video out Saturday. Appreciate y'all that did watch that. Like I said, I told one of you guys there, I meant the time lapse when I started that video, and I hit the wrong button and I didn't time lapse it, and then when I did realize I didn't, I was like, you know what, let's just go with it. So I went with it, and it made a long video. It's 55 minutes, I think, but I wanted to see how the biggers, another one of y'all had said, about getting my watch hours built up, trying longer videos. I don't necessarily like doing longer videos. It's a little more time consuming to edit and do all that with a longer video. And I know myself personally, like when I don't get a whole lot of time, the time that I get to watch videos, because there's YouTubers I like to watch. I got, there's 4 or 5 that I've been watching for years that I, want to continue to support and watch. And if one of them puts out an hour-long video, because the only time I get to really sit and watch a video, in wintertime I'll get more time. But summertime, it's usually just when I lay Josie down for bed, and I got, just an hour or two there before I go to sleep that I can watch videos. Several of them Josie will watch. She loves John from KC Farms. She loves the Holler Homestead, because they got a little girl that's just a little bit older than Josie. She loves watching the videos with them because of that. Now they got a little baby too. She likes that. There's a couple others that she really likes watching, and she'll sit and watch them. And but for the most part, yeah, if I want to watch videos, it's when she's asleep. That when she first goes to sleep, I got just a little bit of time. So if somebody puts out one that's an hour long, it's hard for me to watch it and still watch the other ones I want to watch. So me putting out an hour-long video, I kind of worried about that, because I know it takes a lot of times. So if y'all did watch that video and you watched the whole video, I appreciate it. I know it did do fairly well. It didn't get a whole big bunch of views, but it got quite a few hours of watch time on it. So I do appreciate you guys that did watch it. Like I said, I might start doing that maybe once a week or something on Saturday. I know people, a lot of times people got a little bit more time on Saturdays, but I do appreciate y'all that did watch that video. And but we're gonna wrap it up for this one. Thank y'all. Appreciate you guys, and I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and we'll catch you on the next one.